Hey guys, I have another haul. Here we go. You can't see me, but that's okay. You don't need to see me. You just need to see the items that I purchased. Okay. First thing is this super cute Nike sweatshirt. This is a size large. Looks like this. Really, really cute. I did notice a small stain on the bottom. Where is it? I don't know. It's down here somewhere. You can't really see it. But I did notice that, so I had to note that in the listing. This Helly Hansen fleece jacket, this says extra large. I don't know, it fits more like a medium, I would say. And I don't know if this is men's or women's. I need to look it up. It does have some pilling, I need to work on this. But this is what it looks like. I just recently sold a Helly Hansen sweatshirt, or like a lightweight sweatshirt type thing. Helly Hansen's a really expensive brand. Where's the logo? Is there even a logo? Okay, yeah, right here. Found this vintage LL Bean jacket. The size is like, I mean, the tag is like very old. I'd say this is like a medium large. I love this color. It looks like this. I found this Poetic Justice Tupac t-shirt. It says 2020 on it. So it's not like vintage or anything. This is size small. I would say probably fits a medium. Tupac, my dude, my favorite. He's my favorite rapper of all time. Switching music genres, George Strait. Guys, I love me some like gangster rap and some country music. This is on a Gildan tag. It says medium. Yeah, I would say maybe a large. This isn't vintage or anything, but I just thought it was cool. It says The Cowboy Rides Away 2014. I don't know if that was a tour that he did, but I thought this was a really, really cool shirt. And I found this Champion shirt. It's a men's medium. I just like the color. Do I have the same exact shirt for sale in my closet already? Because I was going to say I have a shirt just like this. It might be the same exact shirt. I don't know. I know it's a different size though. I think it's a small, but so this looks like. I found this Young and Reckless shirt. This is a size medium. Young and Reckless isn't a brand anymore. I don't think. It was started by Chris what the hell's his name? Chris Pratt? Praff. I think it's Praff. But he was on Fantasy Factory with Rob Dyrdek. He started a clothing line. I remember specifically, I don't know if I told the story before, but I remember when the clothing line came out, I was like, oh my gosh. But yeah, I bought one of his shirts and he actually put me on his MySpace page. Like he had a folder of people that purchased shirts, like the Young and Reckless shirts, and I was on his MySpace page. Yeah, okay. It was cool. Still am, but probably was a little bit cooler back then. Anyway, this is what it looks like. We got this Champion hoodie. It's a size large. Looks like clouds. Makes me want to just lay down. I found this jacket. I just thought this was cute. I don't know this brand. I got to look it up. It says Southern Fried Chicks. Size small. This is definitely like a boutique, like a random ass boutique, but I thought this was cute, okay? It's got a little patch here, Southern Fried, whatever, Chicks. But it's like a really cozy Sherpa jacket. It's super soft and it's long. This is not a size small. I would say maybe like a medium large. I don't know. I just thought the design is cool. And again, it's super soft. I found a Lulu shirt. I said I'm going to be more picky about picking up Lululemon in 2022, but I don't know. I just feel like I gotta get it. I gotta get the lemon when I see it. This is probably an older shirt. I don't know what this is. It's reversible. It's pink striped on this side and then just a regular pink on the inside. It does have some holes on this side, but it's not through to the other fabric. So if you wear it just on the pink side, you're good. It's got thumb holes. I don't know what this shirt is called. I'm gonna have to look it up. I don't know the size. I would say maybe that's a 6, just by judging it, maybe 6-ish. Okay, I found this Nike sweatshirt. It says medium. I think this is a men's medium. Looks like Leo's, just a big cowl neck sweatshirt. This is like big for a medium. I did notice it's got some bleach stains on the bottom, so I don't know if I'm gonna bleach this. I am gonna bleach this Nike sweatshirt. This is a size small. So men's small, women's medium, just black. Looks like this. I want to do like a cool design on this, or maybe I won't do bleach. Maybe I'll do like reverse tie-dye. I found 2 pairs of Gymshark leggings, but I don't know what happened to the other pair. I'll pop up a picture. But yeah, I found this picture right here. I think they're called the seamless leggings. I've sold them before. I have no idea what these ones are called. They're a really pretty mauve color. They've got pockets. And yeah, they're full length. So I don't, well, is that full length? It might be a little bit cruppeted. Yeah, I don't know what this style is called. The waist is like, it's a different waist, different, and it's got pockets. So yeah, I gotta look this style up. There's no size, so I'm gonna have to measure it. Pink Victoria's Secret sweatpants, they're a size large. These would honestly fit maybe like an extra large. They're huge. But I don't know, they're just cozy sweats. Everyone loves cozy sweats, right? And I like the color. Juicy Couture pants. They say size small. No way is that a small. That's probably a medium. I don't know. I thought they were cute. They're like that terry cloth material. It says juicy right there. Wasn't able to find the matching hoodie. That would have been great. But these are in like really, really good condition. These are actually cute. Maybe I'll keep these. No, Vanessa, sell it. American Eagle mom jeans. These are a bigger size 14. I wanted to pick them up. Guys, my American Eagle jeans in bigger sizes sell so quickly. So quickly. These are just really nice jeans. No distressing. Like excellent condition. Again, they're the mom jeans. So high rise. I'll have to measure the rise, but that's probably, I would say maybe 12 inches. Maybe. Yeah, that's probably 12 inches. 12-inch rise. And the last thing that I found is this Free People skirt. It was super cheap, so I got it. I think this is an old Free People tag. I think it says size 6. I'm gonna have to look up what this is, but I thought it was cute, okay? Okay. Cute. Not something I would wear, but it's cute, right? All right, so that's everything from my haul. Honestly, this trip was kind of disappointing because usually I come out with a cart full of stuff and this was like not even half full. But if there's anything that you see in this video that you want to purchase, everything will be listed in my Poshmark closet by the time this video is up. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.